Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Chetan Collection. This is an exclusive wholesale outlet of kurtis, dress material and chudidar. This comes in a street called Chickpet in DS Lane, MT Street, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. I'm standing in RT Street. So this is one landmark and the Google Maps is there in description below. So in RT Street, one landmark is this Manak Meva. You can just have a look. This is one landmark in Manak Meva, and right opposite to this there is a street. Just get inside this street and then his outlet is going to come. So when you come little bit down, you can just check like this one building will come, green color complex like this will come, and here there'll be a left. You have to just take this left over here. Just remember this complex right opposite near this there's a street. Just get inside this street. So when you come little bit further, you can just check here his outlet is there, Chetan Collection, exclusive retail and wholesale outlet of kurtis, dress material and chudidar. They have one more outlet. Minimum you will have to buy 5,000 online wholesale. Retail is there online, but retail price will be different, wholesale price will be different. And when you come to his outlet, wholesale will be 5,000. So it's very clear. So this is outlet and he is the owner, Mr. Mukesh. So whenever you come here, you can meet him, and his son is also there. His son is going to speak right now. So this outlet you can just check, and they're into this business for many years. Chudidar, kurtis, dress material, all quality products you will get for wholesale price. How much you require? 100 piece, 500 piece, 1000 piece, readily available. Delivery worldwide is there. Delivery charges will be there. So this one outlet, number is on video screen. WhatsApp video call them. They'll send you all details from here. I'm going to the one more outlet which is right next to this only. This is a one more outlet which is right next to the outlet only. So this is one more place. And so this one more outlet as I told you, and you can just see left, right, all fully loaded dress material, kurtis, and you will get 3 set also chudidar here. And how much your piece you want, you can get over here. You can just see this all parcel. Many people they purchase from here. They're into this business for many years. And right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Kaushik. Hi Kaushik, welcome to my show.
Hello.
Kaushik, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
So our firm name is Chetan Collection. We are into wholesale of dress material, ready-made and kurtis.
Okay, and how many years over for you in this business?
My dad's into this business from past 25 to 30 years.
Okay,
I am a new joinee into this business.
Where and all your product goes?
It's pan-India.
Okay, and how much they have to buy minimum online and offline?
Okay, so for wholesalers, online as well as offline, minimum 5,000.
Okay.
And for retailers, there are some terms and conditions which I'll mention later on.
Okay, and full payment, no cash on
Yeah,
delivery, no credit.
Yeah, no credit. No.
Okay, and would you like to show some sample?
Yeah.
And right now, Kaushik, what you are going to show?
So now I'll show you some of my taste in dress material.
Dress material you are going to start. Okay, what is the starting price in dress material?
So dress material we have range from 150 to 1500.
Okay.
All different ranges and different qualities. I'll just show you random samples.
And how many varieties will get in dress material? You can just show.
I have 7 to 8 cloths, be it tissue, Roman silk, muslin, cotton.
Okay.
I have varieties. I'll just show you random samples.
So this is one sample. You can just have a look.
Yeah. So here you can see this is Roman silk on organza dupatta work.
Cool. Nice. So in these varieties we get any colors or like?
Yeah, there are different colors.
Okay, how many colors we'll get?
In each design you'll get 3 to 4 colors.
3 to 4
this
colors.
Is the top,
Okay.
the dupatta and the bottom.
Cool.
Khadi bottom.
Nice. And what do you want to tell about the quality?
The quality, I'll assure you that whatever money you're giving, it'll be worth the quality.
Nice.
If you're giving me 500 rupees, it'll be worth 500 rupees quality.
Okay.
If you're giving me 1000, it'll be the same.
And people who are connected with you in WhatsApp, they get regular updates.
Yeah.
And
my number will be given in the video.
And the link is in description below.
Yeah.
So you can connect with them in WhatsApp.
You have work dupattas.
Nice.
Like this, I'll show you.
Cool. So this collection
This is
keeps
that's
getting
printed.
changed in how many days, these collections?
We are wholesalers, so you can expect us to have new collection each and every day.
Okay.
Depends on the season.
Nice. So this is a full set.
Yeah. So this has boring work and it's on cotton.
And which and all fabric will get in this?
Yeah, so this is cotton basically. You have boring work as well.
Okay. So right now, what and all fabric will get? Cotton.
Cotton, rayon, capsule,
Okay.
muslin, Roman silk,
Nice.
Vichitra.
So people who are in business, who want to start a new business of dress materials, or
I
you
will
can
be
come
more
here.
than happy to help them out.
He has very nice collection. You can just see quality is superb. Very nice fabrics, and you can make great money also. And even if you want to buy for yourself also, you can buy.
So this is on Georgette.
Okay.
You'll have with lining in it
Nice.
and dupatta as well.
Cool. And now?
Premium cotton.
Okay.
You'll have work over there.
Cool.
This is the dupatta and this bottom.
Okay.
I majorly will focus on contrast, so that's what my customers usually demand.
Okay.
So you
Very
get
nice,
contrast pieces like this.
Cool. So if anyone wants in bulk, easily available.
Yeah.
Like
I have
200, 500, 1000
many
pieces.
varieties, and I can give you quantity as well in each design if you want. 3 pieces, 4 pieces in each particular design.
Okay.
I can provide you with it.
Very nice. When the entire outcome comes, it looks very nice.
Yeah, dress material, the main look comes after it's stitched. So this is the bottom, and we have dupatta also, you can see
Very nice, yeah.
completely.
Like all elegant only you have, like
Yeah.
high quality. And retail price is different, right?
Yeah, retail price will be a little different.
Okay. Just
I
see,
won't charge
superb.
more, but yeah, it will be a little bit different.
Superb. And full payment, no cash on delivery, no
No,
credit.
no.
Full payment you will have to do.
Yeah, no credit.
Just see this. And trusted place, they are into this business from I think 10-15 years, right?
Yeah, more than 10-15 years.
Okay. Lovely.
This is tissue neck work.
Okay.
This is tissue, same, without any work.
Okay.
Simple and sober. These are this little more designs I'll show you.
Nice.
I guess
Very
we are
nice collections you're having here. Very nice. Like few places you will get these kind of quality products.
good. Dupatta will be
Superb.
work.
Nice. Here you must be having 100 varieties of dress material.
Yeah, more than that. Linen to linen, dupatta is also linen.
Okay. And what are the timings of your outlet?
We open at 10
Okay.
and close around 8:30 from
Okay.
Monday to Saturday,
Okay.
and Sunday from 10 to 1 o'clock.
And what time to what time they can call you?
Yeah, they can call me anytime, not an issue.
Okay. And so right now what you're going to show?
So now I'll be showing you my collections in kurtis,
Okay.
straight tops,
Okay.
and my starting range is from 150,
Okay.
and it varies as per the quality.
Okay.
So this is straight simple kurti.
Okay.
Cloth is popcorn.
Okay.
You will get sizes from S to XXL.
Okay. Okay. And how many collections you'll have of kurtis here?
I'll have 15 to 20 varieties anytime available with
Okay.
me. So even this is on anarkali basis.
Nice. And what and all fabric we'll get in kurtis?
Similar like cotton, rayon, Roman silk.
Okay. And all this alia cut, umbrella cut, everything you'll get.
Get all those.
Nice. So all very
This is
nice.
princess cut.
Very nice.
You'll even get plus size in this 3XL, 4XL, 5XL as well.
Okay. Cool. So if people
This is
want
chicken work,
Cool.
front and back. There's no simply work on this. So this also I have 10 to 15 colors available. This is on Roman silk.
Okay.
You will have lining as well.
Nice. And so in each
So there'll be
pattern,
American lining in
Okay.
it.
In
And I
each-
have 4 to 5 colors in this.
in each pattern you get 4 to 5 colors.
Yeah, 4
Okay.
to 5 colors and size varies. M to XXL combo I have 3, 4, 5, 6XL combo as well as I.
So they have to buy set wise in this.
Yeah, wholesalers set wise and retailers selected pieces which when they visit over here I'll show them.
Okay. Very nice. Yeah, this is
This is on khadi. Even this
Very
has with lining.
cool.
Yeah.
So same like a very good opportunity for you people if you want to start a business of kurtis. See, you're getting for very basic price. You can make good money by selling in your outlet. You want to buy for yourself also, you can buy. You can just see lot of varieties are there. Numbers on video screen. WhatsApp video call them. They're going to send you all the details. And so right now, what you're going to show?
Now I'll show you some of my collection in 3-piece ready-made sets.
Okay. And any starting price you want to tell?
Yeah, 3-piece ready-made sets start from 350
Okay.
and it varies till 2000, 2500.
Size what we'll get?
I have M to XXL as well and 3XL, 4XL, 5XL as well.
Okay,
so I have
5XL
plus
also,
size
yeah.
combos as well.
Okay.
If customer.
Very nice.
Cotton.
Nice.
You have boring work and dupatta work. I have 4 to 5 colors in this.
Lovely. Yeah. And in this, how many colors we get?
I have 4 colors in this.
Okay. Each pattern you get 4 colors.
Yeah.
Very nice. Wow. Beautiful this is.
This is cotton dupatta of this.
Nice.
Wait.
Superb quality. In this one, how much collection you must be having in 3-piece? 50, 100?
More than 100.
More than 100. Okay.
This is tissue with inner neck work you'll have
Lovely.
and fancy Vichitra dupatta. That's work.
Nice.
and Roman silk bottom.
Cool.
Simple tissue if people prefer.
Okay.
Dupatta is contrast bottom. I have with pocket Roman silk bottom.
So there is no compromise on quality. Your
No,
products
no,
are
no,
like
no, no.
stunning.
Yeah. Roman silk,
Okay.
neck work, bottom and contrast dupatta.
So in this you get cotton also.
Yeah. I'll show you cotton variety as well.
Okay.
So this is linen cotton
Okay. Nice. Very nice print.
with
Yeah.
lining
Super.
and long dupatta. as
And basically these are like cord set only.
well. No, cord set is just
Almost similar.
Yeah, similar. This is
Almost
three-piece
similar
set.
only.
Cord set are different.
Super.
We'll have
Wow.
work over here in this bottom work as well. And dupatta.
The wholesaler who's taking from you, he can sell in big margin.
Yeah,
All these things.
dupatta also is contrast.
Like
I have
amazing
15
collection.
to 20 designs in this.
Super.
People will not be able to see the quality, but all are premium ranges. This is muslin silk
Beautiful.
with inner, bottom, and dupatta work.
Cool.
So this is on khadi, 3-piece. You can see the finishing and the work. Same bottom, khadi, and chiffon dupatta. V-neck pattern. It's trending now. You can see the
Beautiful,
work
yeah,
and
this
the
is-
neatness of the work. Chiffon dupatta, contrast, and bottom.
All price we are not telling because his business gets affected. That's the reason. You can watch a video call. He'll tell you everything. This
So
also.
I have 10 colors available in this.
Super.
You can see the work and the bottom.
And all these festivals are also coming. So that time you'll have more collections. Diwali and all.
Yeah. This is on Roman silk. I have 10 colors
Wow.
in this as well. Medium
So
range
nice.
and muslin dupatta, same pattern.
Beautiful.
Dupatta
Yeah.
as well.
Full set.
Yeah, full set.
And you have catalogs also here.
Yeah, I'll show you catalog as well.
This sleeveless.
Yeah, you have sleeves attached and inside
Okay.
as well. And you have contrast dupatta.
This is which material?
This is chanderi.
Okay.
It has lining in it. You can see American lining and these sleeves attached.
So basically people who want casual and ethnic both you have.
Yeah, both. Majorly I'm into official taste only.
Okay.
Premium range, good taste.
Super.
This is on
Nice.
Vichitra, contrast.
Nice.
These are all items from Kolkata and Bombay.
Okay.
Pure handwork.
Nice,
You
yeah.
see the finishing.
Looks
Bottom
very elegant.
and
All
dupatta
this
work.
beautiful collections.
So this is my most hot selling item,
Okay.
capsule.
Okay.
3-piece. I have more than 200 designs available in this.
Okay.
You get pant and dupatta as well. This is capsule.
Okay.
My most selling item.
Okay. Cool.
Now I'll show you some of the designs in plus size.
Okay.
Plus size is usually rare to find.
Oh.
So these are plus size items.
Okay. 6XL till 6XL.
Yeah,
you get.
3XL, 4XL, 5XL, 6XL.
Okay.
I'll just show you 2-3 samples. I have more collections downstairs. You can see.
Nice.
You can see the work. This is 4XL. You can see the width as well. You get fancy dupatta and bottom as well.
Okay.
Now I have few catalogs as well.
Okay.
All for wholesalers. This is not for retailers. For
Okay.
wholesalers who do business.
This is so amazing.
This is
So
on Alia
beautiful.
cut muslin
Wow.
dupatta. I have catalogs like this.
Okay.
These are the 8 pieces catalogs. I have a Naira cut, Alia cut, straight cut.
So whatever is trending, you have that.
Yeah. You can
Okay.
see this is Naira cut pattern.
Superb. Yeah. This is like
This is on muslin.
looks very elegant. So right now, what you are going to show?
Now I'll show you some of my collections in cord sets which I have.
Okay. So in this, what is the starting price in cord set?
Cord set starts from 650.
Okay. And sizes?
M to XXL.
Okay.
Here you can see you have this pattern, elegant pattern.
Okay.
Well, I have colors in this. One.
Okay. Can you just open and show? So these are colors in cord set. You can just have a look. Nice.
This is
So
the
if,
bottom.
in this also, if someone wants in bulk, they can get easily.
Yeah, easy.
Okay. Cool.
This is on rayon.
Okay.
We'll have work in bottom,
Okay.
Pathani style.
All prices are different.
Yeah, different item, different.
Cool. So these are some samples. In this, how many days your collection gets changed in cord set?
Same only. Weekly I get new.
Very nice. And again, wholesale retail price are different.
Yeah, wholesale and retail prices would be different.
Very nice, yeah. So these were few samples of the cord set. Any more detail you want? WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all the details. So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having beautiful collections of dress materials, chudidar and kurtis. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love their collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.